gotta swing it. You gotta swing it.
Don't run her over.
You're actually pretty good at it. You kept a pretty good loop in it.
He did like that. I think he liked the running after me. A horse is for two.
Stop him. He's got the rope. He's got the rope.
Stop him. Hey, Stephanie, one rope, turn. He's got the rope. I got it.
Is he neck room?